Welcome to Crypto College, the premier learning center for all subjects blockchain, cryptocurrency, and decentralized ledger technology. Crypto College is the easiest, most affordable way to learn about blockchain and cryptocurrencies online. Half of our resources are completely free, and for only a few bucks per month, you can enroll to receive live trading reports revealing exact holdings and strategies from a professional crypto portfolio manager, attend live classes, receive private consulting and tutoring sessions, and much more. Of course, we accept crypto's form of payment. Today, I will be discussing Ethereum. What is Ethereum, how Ethereum got off the ground to become what it is today, how Ethereum looks today, and how it may look when it transitions to ETH 2.0. Now, unlike Bitcoin, which has been around for over 10 years, Ethereum's mainnet has only been live for 4 years. It is still very much in its early days. Ethereum was developed by Vitalik Buterin in late 2013, then introduced to the public in 2014 at a Bitcoin conference. Ethereum is an open-source, public, blockchain-based distributed computing platform with smart contract capabilities. Now I know what you're thinking. What in the world does any of that mean? To put it simply, Ethereum is a decentralized, meaning nodes exist all over the globe, permissionless, anyone can use it, payment network with additional capabilities. Ethereum uses a virtual machine, the Ethereum virtual machine, a system designed to operate as a runtime environment for Ethereum-based smart contracts. Ethereum was originally designed by and developed by Vitalik Buterin, but needed several others to see the project to fruition. Because of this, there was a massive crowd sale conducted which accepted Bitcoin as form of payment. Initially, the going rate was 1 Bitcoin for 2,000 Ether. At launch, 72 million Ether were created and given to early investors. Since Ether was necessary to do anything on the network, Ether was deemed not a security from a regulation standpoint. The crowd sale saw instant success and set up the groundwork for the future ICO model. Ethereum is essentially the missing value layer from the internet. With Ether, anyone around the world can transact value without a trusted third party. As previously mentioned, Ether is used as a gas mechanism within the system whenever an on-chain transaction is conducted. The Ethereum virtual machine is a decentralized ecosystem created for building these applications on top of Ethereum. Now to the specs of Ethereum. Ethereum has a 14 to 15 second block time in comparison where Bitcoin has about a 10-minute block time. And in that 14 to 15 second block time, a reward is given to the miner who solves that block and is given 2 Ether. Ethereum uses an account model to verify transactions and balances on-chain, whereas Bitcoin uses an unspent transaction output model, in other words, a UTXO model. Several standards have been created by various groups to help developers and businesses create value on Ethereum. A couple of these are ERC20 tokens and ERC721 NFTs. ERC20 is the standard behind an ICO token, where the NFT ERC721 is how CryptoKitties operates and was created. Now, Ethereum today exists for primarily 2 main purposes: crowdfunding through ICOs and open financial tools deemed DeFi for corporations, investment firms, and individuals. Both have given the average retail investor the opportunity to invest in something otherwise not possible. For Ethereum to really be successful, though, it needs to not only be decentralized, transparent, and secure, but also needs to be scalable. Currently, it cannot scale to accommodate a global marketplace. That is why ETH 2.0 plans to accomplish this. ETH 2.0 will operate using proof of stake rather than proof of work. To stake, a validator will need to submit 32 Ether to a staking contract, which will lock that Ether up. Depending how many Ether are staked, the rewards will vary. I've seen charts where anywhere from 1% to 18% annually will be the return, depending on if every Ether in circulation are staked or just a million or so. ETH 2.0 will be scalable due to innovations including Casper and sharding techniques to increase throughput. ETH 2.0 will be a several-year transition with a one-way bridge to convert your Ether into ETH 2.0 Ether. Several groups have invested time and money into Ethereum's success. Ethereum Enterprise Alliance was formed in early 2017, which consists of Fortune 500 companies, blockchain startups, and research groups. The Ethereum Foundation was created as a nonprofit in 2015 to help see the crowd sale through and early development of Ethereum. Last but not least, Consensus is a company created by Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin. Their goal is to implement working standards for developers and companies to use, as well as creating a rich ecosystem for anyone who wants to get involved to easily do so.